The massive SRP movement, over 440 million token dumped by whales in just 30 days, and the SRP faced a resistance near $3. Ripple CTO just gave a serious warning. What's really good going on? Stay till the end and I'll reveal the bonus prediction for October that could stock SRP investors. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your SRP news update on October 14, 2025. If you hold an SRP, this week has been a full drama. Big whale movement, resistance level, and new ETF rumors are shaping the market in a way we didn't expect. Before we deep dive, make sure you hit the subscribe and turn on the bell because I post real-time updates and prediction you don't want to miss. Let's start with what causing all the noise. Will unloading nearly 440 billion SRP in the past month. Blockchain tracker slows a multiple large wallets moving SRP to the exchange, especially around resistance level nearly $3 now. When whales sell, it's usually a signal either profit taking before a dip or plan a re-entry after a correction. Analytics believe this movement are creating a downward pressure, which explain why XRP has struggled to stay about $2.60 to $2.70. But here's what's interesting: the retail traders are still buying the dip and expecting ETF news to push price higher later this quarter. Currently, SRP is trading around $2.61, up slightly by 0.03% today. The daily high touched $2.64, but strong resistance kicked in right below $3, which has now become the key physiological barrier. And if you see the technical chart suggested, if SRP breaks past $3, the next target could be a $3.40, but a failure to hold above $2.50 might drag back to $2.20 to $2.30 zone. So traders are watching this level closely. 2.50 cent for support and $3 for breakout confirmation. Now this part got community buzz. Ripple CTO David recently commented on a short-term obsession with the SRP price. He said many investors are focusing too much on daily price movement instead of real-world use cases of Ripple in building. There's a subtle of powerful message. It reminds us that Ripple long-term value lies in a cross-border payment, CBDC partnership, and utility, and not just hype. So, while traders panic about short dips, David is hinting that the real value will come once regulatory clarity and institutional adoption hits the full speed. Now to the big headline: ETF hypes. Speculation is growing around a possible pro-share SRP-based ETF, which could open door for traditional investor to buy SRP through regulated channel. Well, it's not official approved yet. Analytics from the block report that early discussions are going on, and this has already started fueling optimism in the market. If this ETF gets green-lighted, and it could be a game changer, just like what happened with the Bitcoin ETF early this year. That's why some experts says that the reason will dump might be the positioning moves below a rally and not panic sell. Meanwhile, SIP community is divided. Half the investor believe this is a stakeout before a pump, and while others fear another long sideways passage. If you see the social data shows SRP pension on Twitter are up 25% this week, meaning interest is growing again, and some influencers predict a massive run of the ETF news gets confirmed, possibly pushing SRP beyond $4 before the year end. Alright, as promised, here is a bonus prediction. If SRP maintain a support level of $2.50 through the October, the ETF momentum continues. We could see a breakout about $3.20 by early November. However, if the whale sales continues beyond a mid-month short-term correction towards $2.30 is likely before any rally. So what do you think? Are the well preparing for them or setting up for the next big pump? Drop your thought in the comment, and if you enjoy this update, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next SRP breaking news update. And also in the description there is a free a newsletter of a coin prediction, so you can go and subscribe for the free coin prediction. Thank you.